In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Close Won Opportunities by Month Salesforce report, which should take us around 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into Salesforce. Ensure you have your login credentials handy to access your Salesforce dashboard. Once inside, look for the Reports tab within the navigation bar. This is your gateway to creating customized reports, which provide valuable insights into your business operations. Next, you'll want to click on New Report. Doing so opens a window offering a variety of report types. For our specific needs today, you're going to select Opportunities. This option allows you to zero in on sales opportunities, crucial for tracking your closed deals. Once you've selected Opportunities, you'll notice a Continue button. Go ahead and click it. This action takes you to the Report Customization area where we'll fine-tune our report to meet specific criteria. Now, our focus will shift to applying filters, which refine the data we intend to examine. First up, we'll set the filter for the stage field to Closed Won. The filter ensures that your report only displays opportunities that have successfully converted into sales, giving you a clear picture of your wins. Next, you'll specify the close date. This is where you define the time frame for the data you'd like to examine. Choose the desired start and end dates to capture the precise period of interest, whether it be the last quarter, the past year, or any custom range that suits your analysis. Now, it's time to group your data for easier digestion. To do this, group the report rows by close date. You'll want to select calendar month as your grouping option. This configuration organizes your Close Won opportunities into monthly increments, allowing you to quickly identify trends or patterns in your sales activity over time. With the basic setup complete, it's crucial to save your work. Look for the Save button, typically located at the top of your screen. Give your report a meaningful name that corresponds with its function, something like Closed Won Opportunities by Month. Having a clear, descriptive title makes it easier to locate your report for future use. Finally, after saving, make sure to run the report. Running it will execute your filters and groupings, presenting the finished report for your review. And there you have it. A comprehensive monthly breakdown of your Closed Won opportunities is now at your fingertips. This report is a powerful tool for analyzing your sales performance over time, helping you spot trends, assess team performance, and strategize for future growth. Thanks for following along, and I hope you find this report both informative and valuable for your Salesforce data analytics.